everybody? So today I'm gonna make a response video to Leaky's last video. What's bike life to you? Or something like that. What's up, man? And Leaky, it's kind of hard to make a response video because you pretty much hit everything. Like he said it was 3 things and they was all beginning with the letter F. I think his was fun, freedom, and friendship. Let me say that word right. Friendship. I believe that's what he said. And yeah, obviously it is a lot of fun. And only the people that understand that are the people that ride. I mean, I have lots of fun on my bike. I have lots of fun riding with my friends when I get to ride with them. But yes, riding is a lot of fun. Freedom. Yeah, you get a lot of freedom with it, as in when you're out here in the wind, 2 wheels, you ain't got the cage of a car or SUV or whatever around you. So yeah, a lot of freedom. The freedom to catch bugs and June bugs and all kinds of shit in your chest, and if you don't wear a full face, your face. It's the only thing I don't miss about wearing a half shell. Even though go every now and again I still wear my half shell, but not very often. Because if YouTube has taught me anything, it's to always have this damn camera going. These handlebars are wanting to shake like crazy already. I mean, I can't even take my fucking hand off of it anymore. I can get a different bike and just strip this cocksucker down and just go through it completely. But yeah, I mean, you could do a lot more with a bike than you can with a car. You can fit in different places. You can weave in and out of traffic easier. All kinds of different style or types of freedom that come with riding. Let's see, friendship. I mean, I'm 40, almost 41 years old, and I've been riding since I was knee-high to a billy goat's nutsack. I've been riding a long time, and these many years I've made I can't say hundreds of friends or thousands of friends, but I guess I can say hundreds. I don't know about thousands, but hundreds. I've made a shit ton of fucking friends. Some were good, some were bad. Some of them became more than friends, you know, closer like family. A lot have come and gone. Some are still around after so many years. Friendship is one big thing about it. This road is killing me. Fuck, it's so bumpy. But one more I'm gonna add, and you can actually probably chalk this up with fun, but damn, I can't even get a scrape on because these people go so slow. Excitement. And I'm guessing that's gonna have to do more along lines with what kind of riding you do, on how exciting it is. Some people could get excited riding the speed limit to the grocery store. You know? Me, I ride right on the fucking edge. I push this Harley to its limits, and then I go past that limit as much as I think as I can. You know, I get the excitement of drag racing, that speed and adrenaline, knowing that I just beat somebody, or knowing I just lost. You know, the excitement's still there. Yeah, it sucks when I lose, but it happens. Pretty much my opinion, explanation on what bike life means. You know, you got the friendship, the camaraderie. You know, if it wasn't for this bike life and YouTube, I wouldn't have met so many fucking people and have so many friends now. The friends that you can turn into family is what really makes shit go good. But anyways, I think I'll end this boring fucking video. Not too much excitement in this one. I apologize. Put my hand up for turn signals since I don't have any. But anyways, yeah, my opinion on, or by agreeing with Leaky on his video, kind of hit it right on the head. And means pretty much the same thing to me as it does him. Fun and excitement, the freedom and the friendships. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Share, comment, all that fun shit. It's like the first time I've ever said this in a video. Anyways, until next time, I will catch you on the flip side. Later.